Trader X here with Day Trading the Chart. It is Wednesday, July 31st, 2019. Today's the day we've been waiting for all week long. Since Monday and Tuesday, we've been going basically sideways in the market. Nothing's really moving at all because everything's waiting on the Fed decision today. The decision's going to come out at 2 o'clock New York time today, which is quite a ways away from right now. The market's about to open here in just a few minutes. But things might moving today. I'm looking at possibly making a trade today. Yeah, I'm looking at possibly making a trade today. And what I have up is UGAZ. It's gapping up. You can see it here on the gap scan. Gapping up $1.13, 8%. So it's something. And see on the gap downs. Oh, we better go check that one. Let's go take a look at that stock. That's probably not going to be shortable, but let's just take a look anyway. TWOU. It says it's TWOU Incorporated. It is shortable. This thing is gapping down. Oops. That's the gap ups. That's the gap downs. Okay. This thing's gapping down $17, 47%. No news out. Crazy. Might get some action from this one. I can short it. Okay, so let's put this up on watch here. TWOU. Oh, AMD good too. Yeah, we watch AMD. Look, AMD's down $1.75. Oh, I love trading AMD. It's such an easy trade. You don't get that many ticks from it, but it's like for sure thing. Real easy too. All right, let's pull them up. AMD. Advanced Micro Devices. Okay, that one's looking good. Good for a trade here at the open. And then the other one was TWOU. We'll put this up on another screen somewhere. TWOU. TWOU Incorporated. Okay. Alright, what do I want to trade first? UGAZ maybe. I like AMD. Let's bring up UGAZ on another one. Okay, I've already got it. Alright, I'm going to bring up AMD. Okay, here is AMD. Market's going to open here very shortly. Preparing an order all ready to go. Go with 5,000 shares of AMD. Okay, there's the market open. Okay. Zoom out a little bit to get some perspective. Okay, we're looking good here. Just looking for a signal. Let's see. What else do we have here? TWOU, no signal. UGAZ, no signal. Okay, still looking. Okay, I don't see anything else. Alright, so we're just going to focus on this here. Looking for a signal on this stock of whether I can get AMD, whether I can get a direction on it, a short or a long. Okay, looking for signal here. Okay, I will come right back. Okay, looking for a signal. Also trying to watch other stocks as well. TWOU. Okay, we have a short signal on TWOU already. I think. Yes, we do. Short signal on TWOU. I should go get in that right now. TWOU and UGAZ. Okay, I'm going to hold off here. Alright, looking for a signal. Okay, I've got one. Taking it short. Alright, 5,000 shares short on AMD. My system says it's going to go down. Alright, looking for something else to get into. You know what, I better just concentrate on AMD here. I'll just do one stock at a time for this particular strategy so I can focus in on it. And I will do the big trade on multiple different instruments, possibly 3 different instruments, if I have them. Otherwise, I'll do it on as many as I have. Well, up to 3. I can't do more than 3. I can't watch more than 3. But I can do 3 of them at one time. Usually, unless the signals come really close, then it's going to be hard because by the time I get to it, it'll already move too much. But if I can get to it, which oftentimes I can, then I can take the big trade on multiple different instruments, which you've seen me do many times so far. Okay, I'm up 600 here, 500 on AMD, 700. Let's see, what else do we have? It looks like both UGAZ and TWOU are short signals. Alright, AMD now up 1100 now here. 1300, 14. Okay, making sure I have the order ready to go to get back out. $1,900, $2,100, 26. Bouncing around 24, 27, 24, 21, 22. It's all over the place. Just letting it go right now. System says it's going to go down. I have no signal saying go up. 2,900, 3,000, 31, 38. Oh no, that's 28. I thought I said 38. Okay, still nothing but short signals here, Market Master. Alright, let's see here. TWOU. You know, both of these signals are very weak. Both UGAZ and TWOU, very weak signals. I don't really think I want to take those right now. I will wait for a big trade signal on these 2 stocks, as I had planned before. Okay, it's moving back up on me here a little bit. I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm letting it go here. Again, I'm following my system. My system says it's going to go down. And until I get a signal to say it's going to go up, I'm not going to get out. Okay, I'm getting into TWOU. Okay, all the way in, 5,000 shares. I'm short on it. I've got a signal that says it's going to go down. The signal is a little bit weak. It's kind of weak, but it is still a signal that it is going to go down here. So I'm going to take it. Or I'm taking it. Taking it short. I think that it's, even though the signal is weak, I still think it's going to go down here. UGAZ does not really look good right now. I have conflicting signals on UGAZ. Let me check it again. Actually, no, I don't. I have a short signal. UGAZ is a short signal. It's moving against me here. Okay, AMD really dropping down here. Preparing to get out of the trade. Okay, looking for a signal on AMD. Up 3,700 right now, 3,900. Looking for a market master signal. I do not have one yet. Prepared to get out of the trade. Alright, let me see here. Okay, I think it's going to be a long signal, but I'm going to wait for the signal. Maybe not. It might not be a long. I can't tell now. Okay, looking for a signal here. Market Master is going to tell me if it's going to start going back up a bit here or if it's going to continue to go down. I want to see it continue to go down, obviously, and I'm going to hold it, and it's going to go down further. We'll get more profit out of it. But if it is going to go back up, then I want to get out. Okay, looking for a signal, ready to get out of the trade. I think it's going to be a long. Ready to get out of the trade here. Looks like to me it's going to be a long. It is a long. Alright, I only got 24.89 out of AMD. I didn't want to keep going down. Okay, I will play a big trade on this one. I will come back. Yeah, I'm going to just play a big trade from here for right now. And that way I don't have to play games with, with it. I take the initial one. Okay, I got 24.89. I was looking for a lot more, and I had a lot more when it was down here, but I didn't get it, so no big deal. Because I can still hit it with a big trade. But let's see here. Yeah, and then at the 2 o'clock the Fed meeting, the big trade will already predict the direction that it's going to go at the Fed meeting, so I'll show that to you today. Okay, so I am looking for a big trade signal here on AMD. And anything else I can find. Yeah, there's nothing else out there. TWOU looks like it's about to drop out. Let's go take a look at it. Alright, here is TWOU. Can't see it too good. But I'm just waiting for it to go down. My system says it's going to go down. In fact, do I have a Market Master short? No, I do not. Now I do. Short entry, Market Master. It's going to go down here. Alright, ahead 2100 on TWOU. Just going to write it down here for a bit. This one could be a big one. This one could be $1, no problem. 2500. It's bouncing around a lot here. It's moving a lot. It's moving a lot of ticks very quickly. By each tick of the bar, it's moving a lot of ticks. This thing's going to drop out. Should be able to hit $1 on this. Might be able to hit $2 on this. Alright, let's see here. What do we got going on? Okay, MDR starting to move up here. AMD also moving up off that market master still. See what market master can do for you? It can protect your profits. It can also lead you to even more profits very easily. Very easy. I use it every day. You see me in most of my exits. I use it. Okay, up 4,000 on TWOI. Making sure I am ready to get out. 5,000 shares. Okay, up 4,700. Alright, let me check Market Master. Short entry on Market Master. We have a second one. This thing's really moving. We got a lot of potential here to make a lot of ticks on this thing. I'm going to use Market Master here to show all of you. Going down even more. Up 5,600. 57. 58. Okay. Still starting to head down here, but ready to break the bottom. Still, Market Master says go short. Starting to bounce back up here a little bit. Not getting out yet. Don't have a Market Master long signal. I'm up 4,300. 37. 28. Shooting way back up here. I'm not going to get rid of it until Market Master tells me to. Because we could easily get another Market Master short signal. It's just going to continue to go down. We could get a Market Master long signal. I mean, it is definitely a possibility. But I'm not going to worry about it. It is or it isn't. I'll let it be whatever it is, and I'll play whatever it is. Okay, don't have a signal yet. You can do this with Market Master and make a tremendous amount of money if you just have the patience to wait for it. And all the times that you didn't make the money that you could have made, you will make it all back up in that one trade that you hit a big trade on. All you got to do is start getting a series of those going, and your count just starts to really grow. Like, I might be able to hit a very big trade here. It is a possibility. This thing is really moving. Okay, I am looking for Market Master signal. I do not have one. All signals I have so far are all short signals. Up 4,100 here. Okay, up 5,100. $5,400. All the way back to 4,000, 3,600 even. All right, looking for a signal. Looking for a signal here. Okay, looking for a signal. It's a very good chance it's going to be a long here, unfortunately. But I'm not going to go until I got the signal. Ready to get out here. Okay, it's a long. Alright, I'm out with 3,600 on TWOU. Got a long signal here off of Market Master. Alright, where is AMD? AMD starting to head down a bit again. Okay, hold on a second. I might get a special here. Market Master Special. If it does go short, I'm going to take it again. Preparing order. Okay, so far 24.89 AMD and 36.40 on TWOU. Okay, looking for a signal here on UGAZ. Okay. Alright, 5,000 shares at market, ready to go here. If I can get a signal here. It's kind of slow right now because we're coming up, soon on the, well, not soon, but in 3.5 hours here, we're coming up on the Fed decision, which will make the market really move. So as it gets closer and closer to that, the market may not move very much. Okay, UGAZ, it's a long signal, taking a long position. UGAZ is a big trade long signal using easy entry. Okay, I've got a long entry here on AMD. This is a big trade signal using easy entry. The system big trade says it's going to go up here. So it's not just going to go up, it's going to go up in a big way. So I've got 5,000 shares long on AMD here. I'll come back. Okay, UGAZ moving up pretty good here. I now have 1,200 on it. 1,200 in UGAZ. This is a big trade signal, so I am looking for a considerable amount more. I will come back. UGAZ continuing to move up 2,400 on it right now. Okay, UGAZ has another Market Master long signal here, so it's going to continue to go up. Okay, currently up 25.75 in UGAZ, 26.75 now, looking for a signal off of Market Master here to see which direction it wants to go. Prepared to get out. Market Master signal, I think it's going to go short here. Ready to get out of the trade. Lock in the profit. Still no signal. Still no signal. Well, everything just got really quiet. As we get closer and closer to the Fed meeting, this, it could speed up or it could get more quiet. You never know. Okay, we've got long signal. Wait, no, we don't. No, we do not. No signal yet. Looking for a signal. Ready to get out of the trade. 5,000 shares at market. Currently up 2,700. Okay, it's a long signal. It's going to go up even more. Market Master long signal. Whoa. Could be a special going back short. Watching it. If it's a special, I will get out and go back the other. Or actually, I'm just going to get out. Otherwise, if it goes long here, I'm good. Just want to confirm it's a long. Okay, it is a long, confirmed. Alright, just going to write it up some more here. Yeah, it's very, very slow out there right now, except for UGAZ is moving. Okay, up 2,700 right now on UGAZ. Okay, looking for another signal here. Looking for a market master signal. Ready to get out of the trade. 5,000 shares at market. Currently up 2,800. 2,900. Looking for a signal. Okay, it's a long signal. Market master long signal here. It's going to go up some more. Really making a nice move here on UGAZ. Currently up 2,950. I'll come back. Okay, getting out of the trade here, UGAZ. Okay, I'm all the way out. Alright, 25.48 on UGAZ. So having a good day today. TWOU, UGAZ, AMD. Looking for more here. Okay, I'm watching the ES for possible entry here. Looks like we might be getting a big trade on it. Okay, don't have a signal yet, but I am watching it. Okay, I've got a short signal on the ES. I've got 14 contracts short here. This is a big trade using easy entry. It's going to come down quite a bit here. I'll come back. Okay, ES starting to move down here a little bit, up $1,100 on it so far. I'll come back. Okay, I'm up 2,000 right now, 2,200, 2,300 now, 2,400, 2,500 on the ES. And I'm just going to hold it because the Fed decision is going to be coming out in 7 minutes from now. And this is a big trade signal to go down so that when the news comes out, it's going to go down. See, I already know that. Sounds impossible, right? Well, watch for yourself. I already know it's going to go down. So I'm probably looking at about a $5,000 trade here on the ES. I'm at 2,200 right now. 2,400 right now on the ES here. So just looking for it to come down and just waiting on the news. Okay, I might get a market master long signal here. I'm going to have to get out. Oh, it's shooting up on me without a signal. Still don't have a signal. Alright, looking for signal. Alright, it's a long. Okay, I'm out right here. Alright, only got 1,500 on the ES. I'm going to try to get back in here if I can get a short signal. I'll be back. Okay, I've got a short position, 15 contracts. It's going down. Fed decision just came out. Remember I said it was going to go down because of the big trade? That's what it's doing. Really radical though, as you can see. But it's going to shoot down here. Definitely radical. 15 contracts short. Come on, ES, drop out. Okay, I'm up 2,500 on the ES right now, 2,700. Just needed to drop out a little bit, and I'll be up about 5,000. 3,500. Jumping around a lot here. 37, 39, 42. Ready to get out. Buy back my shares, 48, 5,000. Alright, checking a look at Market Master. What do we got here? We've got short signal. Full short signal Market Master. 54. Boy, it's really jumping around. Back to 3,500 already. Wow. Alright, one more big move down here. I'm going to take it. It's going to be about 6,000 or so. Could just follow Market Master down too. We have a Market Master short signal right now. Market Master short signal in place here. Looking for it to come on down. Looking for it to drop. Let's zoom out a bit and see where we are. There's a big move down. Okay, Market Master still indicating going short. Ready to get out of the trade. 15 contracts at market. Up 4,800, 49, 5,100. Ready to get out of the trade. Trying to take 5,000 on this thing. Okay, here we go. It's going down further. 54. Finger on the trigger to get out. This is going to be to buy back shares and get out. 5,700, 6,000. 63. Okay, I'm taking it right here. I'm out. 5,900 on the ES. You see, it's not hard to do. You just have to know how everything works. Okay? I have developed a scientific system of trading that I am now teaching the public. Trader X, day trading the chart. And if you are a trader, you want to learn my system. Trust me, you want to learn my system. There is nothing like it out there. And you can be accurate like you see me doing. Really good day today on UGAZ, AMD, ES. Good day. Very good day today trading. Made some good money today. Still not be over with yet. I'm looking to see what I might be able to get myself into here. It's kind of late in the day now, and there's not a whole lot moving actually. The ES, as you see, is moving, but the stocks aren't really moving that much. So today is UGAZ, AMD, ES, and TWOU. All good trades today. UGAZ, AMD, ES, and TWOU. Very good day today on all of those stocks. All the stocks that I traded today, I made money on and did very well. But that's not unique to my system, you see. My system is unlike any other trading system in the world, and it is the most powerful system that you could possibly get. Just out of curiosity, let's go take a look at what the YM looks like in comparison to the ES. Okay, here is the YM. It looks somewhat similar, I would say. Yeah, looks pretty similar to the ES. But anyway, it doesn't really matter which one you trade, the ES or the YM. It doesn't really make any difference. They're both really good. It's just that the ES is cheaper to trade than the YM, though. Of course, I don't let that stop me. I just trade whatever looks to be the most active. Or actually, I don't even do that mostly. I do whatever gives me a signal first, and usually whichever one is the most active is the one that gives me the signal. So I usually just go with that between the ES and the YM. Sometimes it's the ES first, sometimes the YM. It just depends. As you can see, I got out of that short just in time, huh? It's gone all the way back up. Anyway, really good trading today. Let's see if I can get a signal here on the YM. Maybe I can. Okay, looking to see if I can get a signal here. I already have a market master short signal. But I'm not going to go by that one. I want to see a new signal here. But if I get a second market master short signal, that'll be good. It'd be a good signal. Okay, taking a look for entry. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, looking for a signal here on the YM. Let's see if I can get one. Looking for a market master signal. Come right back. Okay, I've got a market master long signal here on the YM. I've taken a long position, 20 contracts. Ready to get out of the trade. Up 500, 800, 900. Back to 500. Bouncing around. Not sure where the target is. I'm just going to follow it with Market Master basically. If it wants to get on a run here and go up, Market Master will keep giving me long signals. Okay, up 900. Back to 7. Okay, up 1,000. 1,100. Jumping around a lot. Need to watch for a rollover here using Market Master. If I get a short signal, I'll have to go with it. But Market Master will guide me along as we go. Looks like it's setting up to go short again. Still don't have a signal though. Yeah, it Looks like it's going to roll over and go short here. But I'm going to wait for the signal. Alright, looking for an entry. Okay, it's a short. Reversing position. Okay, now short 20 contracts. Market master short entry. This should be its true direction here. It's just going to roll over and come down now. I'm going to go in with another 10. What do I have? Market master short. Okay, I've got 23 contracts short here. Very choppy. Okay, YM dropping down really hard here, up 4,300. Order ready to get out here. Up 5,100, 52. Alright, looking at Market Master. Oh, this is a big move, big move. Getting ready to get out of the trade here. 6,800, 7,200, 8,000, 89, 9,000. Getting ready to get out. 10,000. Getting out now. Okay, getting out of the trade here. Alright, 8,400 on the YM here. It's a good move down. Had a little trouble with my order there. Alright, big day today. A lot of trades, a lot of trades. Big day today on TWOU. Big day today on the YM. Big day well, not a big day, but something on the AMD. Good size on the UGAZ. And a pretty big day on the ES. So big day on the ES and the YM in particular. And these indexes are they're really moving, you know, as you can see. And left some on the table there on the YM. Ooh, boy, it's going down good. Anyway, a good trade is a good trade. Always remember that. Never kick yourself. Okay, so because if you kick yourself every time you do something that's not perfect, just imagine how many times you're going to kick yourself. Right? It's not good to kick yourself all the time like that. It's good for you to learn from your mistakes, but not to kick yourself because you didn't get out the perfect spot. Remember, there's nothing wrong ever with taking a good size winning trade. Never anything wrong with it. What's wrong is to let that trade go and then ride it all the way back to zero and take a loss on it. That's what's wrong. But I'm pretty tired now, so I'm going to go ahead and stop trading for today. Up really, really good today on all the different stocks and futures I've traded today. And as you can see, my system works really super well. If you're a trader, you absolutely want to use my system. And yeah, I mean, trust me, you would absolutely love my system. It's easy and it is extremely profitable. It works extremely well. So if you're a trader, if you're interested in trading, get my system. Big trade, market master, and easy entry. Today I was using a combination of everything, but if you really want to hit these big trades like this, get the big trade and the easy entry and you will be able to do it. Okay, I'm going to get going. I will be back tomorrow for some more trading. And as always, to your trading success from Trader X at Day Trading the Chart. See you tomorrow.